Pampanga, yeah, Pampanga, yeah. Get ready for the places you go. You're gonna have a blast, I know. Pampanga, yeah.
Hello everyone, I'm Junior Bitbug and I'll be showing you around Lubao, Pampanga today. I'm passionate about sharing the stories and secrets of this place, so let's have some fun exploring together. Don't hesitate to ask me anything. I'm happy to answer your all questions. Welcome to Lubao, Pampanga. This charming municipality boasts a rich history, diverse attractions, and warm hospitality. Today we will embark on a journey to discover five of Lubao's most captivating tourist spots. Our first stop is Lubao Bamboo Hub. As you can see, the park is a testament to the beauty and versatility of bamboo. It's not just a material for constructions, it's a symbol of sustainability and nature's of resilience. Take a moment to breathe in the fresh air, listen to the bird songs, and appreciate the tranquility of this unique. Feel free to explore the pathways, rent a bike, or even indulge a relaxing beach spa. Remember to capture some photos of the breathtaking bamboo canopy. Next, we will visit the President Gustavo P. Macapagal Museum. This museum is dedicated to the life and times of remarkable Filipino leader. Here you learn about his humble beginnings, his rise to power, and his significant contributes to the country. Explore the exhibits, view historical artifacts, and gain a deeper understanding of President Macapagal legacy. This museum is a valuable resource for everyone interested in the Philippines, history, and politics. Our third stop is the San Agustin Church. This church is a true icon of Davao history and faith. Its construction dates back to the 16th century, making it one of the holiest churches in the Pampanga. Take a moment to admire the architectural details, the intricate carvings, and the serene atmosphere. You can also learn about the church history and its role to the community. It's a place of worship, reflections, and a testament of enduring spirit of faith. Our next destination is the Lubao Institute. This destination is a pillar of education in Lubao. With a long and proud history, it's been a big beacon of knowledge and a source of pride for the community since 1929. While we may not be able to the tour to school itself, you can appreciate its significance of observing the architectures and its prominent location in the town. It's a testament of the importance of education and its a role in shaping future of Lubao. Our final stop is the Pradera Verde. Its world-class recreational facilities offer something for everyone. You can enjoy a round of golf on its championship course, take a dip in the refreshing swimming pools, or savor delicious meals at its restaurants. It's perfect place to unwind, relax, and create lasting memories. Feel free to explore the grounds, indulge in some activities, and soak up the vibrant atmospheres of Pradera Verde. As we conclude our tour, we witness the rich of tapestry of Davao history, culture, and natural beauty. From the tranquil bamboo hub to the historical museum, the ancient church, to the modern recreational facilities, Davao offers a diverse of range experience for every traveler. Remember to savor the local cuisines, engage with the friendly locals, and appreciate the unique charms of the captivating municipalities of Davao.